Hi everyone, this is Sandy Cray with Heart. I have so many events the month of May. Let's see, my daughter's 18th birthday, her graduation from high school, and I have a bunch of friends who are retiring coworkers who are retiring. So I'm going to have a video on that, but this one is going to be graduation. So let me show you what I did. So first of all, I used this Create in Quads layering stencil. It's like my go-to. It's like I don't have tons and tons of graduation cards to make, so I don't want to have tons and tons of graduation products because I'm just not gonna use it enough. I don't have enough to use, so it's like using the same products for all my graduation and just trying to find different ways to make the cards a little different, a little unique. So this is one of those products from Tailored Expressions where this one has 3 stencils. So you stencil each of these in a different color. You can use paste. I used both. I'll show you. And then you will make it creates 4 different panels, and then you can decorate them. So the other thing I have is High Five. So this one's great because even though it just has Congrats Grad, it has all these other kind of things that you could use for other types of cards. It doesn't have to be graduation. And then I also have this little grad cap, and I'll show you how I use that. Let's see, I also used the Graduation Mercy, and I used Honor Students from the Greening Farm. This is when they actually had some dies that go with their product, and then the cards. So I have an extra panel, and I decided just not to make anything with this panel. I'm going to put it in kind of my stash and maybe use it for a birthday or something else that maybe is not graduation, because it kind of could be 4th of July. I mean, it could be a lot of different things. Okay, so here is this one. This is Sky's the Limit, Happy Graduation. So the other thing that I used is the insiders from Tailored Expressions. So they have these insider panels that you can foil, which I did foil some, or you can leave black. And so I use this for the front of my card. And then I use all the little pieces from the that Honor Students stamp set. And I colored everything in with my Copics. And I did use some kind of clear glitter paste over the orange. And then here's the one that I made for my daughter. Cute, right? And then here is the insiders panel, and I did a silver foil on it. I think it's really pretty. And I love how that came out, and I colored her in with Copics as well. And then here's this one right here. So I have my little niece who is graduating from 6th grade. She's going to be going into junior high next year. And so I thought this would be kind of a fun little card. And then here is the insiders panel. And those are my graduation cards. So let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. This is Cindy Cray with the Heart.